What's the big deal if my doctor doesn't have medical malpractice insurance? In a previous video, I discussed the fact that under Maryland law, doctors are not required to keep medical malpractice insurance. They don't have to even have it in the first place. And so I thought it'd be helpful to do another video today as well. So what's the difference? How does that affect you? Well, if you bring a medical malpractice lawsuit against a doctor and that doctor does not have insurance and you're successful, so you get money either by a settlement or you win at trial, and now it's time to collect. If that doctor had insurance, the insurance company would pay you, and that would be pretty easy, and you would get your money. If, however, a doctor doesn't have insurance, that could be much more complicated. Here's why. So a doctor who doesn't have insurance is likely going to take measures to protect himself or herself from having their personal money be at risk. So their bank accounts or their home, they may have that and probably do have that as part of maybe like the title to their home. Them and their wife or their husband, they may have bank accounts that have other spouses or significant others on it that under the law would prevent you as the medical malpractice victim from being able to get personal money. And that can be very difficult in what we call collection. So even though you may have a judgment against the doctor, if all of their money is protected, you really won't be able to get your money from the case. I'm often asked the question, what about wage garnishment? Some people are familiar with wage garnishments, usually like in custody or family law proceedings, and they want to know whether you can garnish a doctor's wages. Well, yeah, technically you can do that. So there's a lot of things that you technically can do, but as a practical matter, that's going to be very, very difficult to do that. Again, there's exceptions, there's limits under the law as to what you can garnish and what you can. And actually, as a medical malpractice lawyer, I faced this a couple of times in my career, and I have to say that it's all the measures that you can take to get to a doctor's personal money really have proved unsuccessful. So the practical matter is that if a doctor doesn't have malpractice insurance and you come to me to see about whether I would take the case, I'm probably going to be very reluctant to take it because I would be concerned that we won't be able to get you the compensation for you as a result of being successful. So we win the battle, but we lose the war, meaning we won the case, but we can't get any money out of it. So this is a supplement to my previous video about medical malpractice insurance, and I just thought it'd be helpful to kind of beef this up a little bit and to give you some more information. Please hit that subscribe and like button so that you can take advantage of all of my medical malpractice videos. You can also please invite you to come to my website at frankspectorlaw.com. I have a lot of great medical malpractice information for free that you can read. I also have contact forms that you can fill out if you have questions about medical malpractice. Thanks again for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you again on a future video.